is well known that Hillphoenix has over 130 years of experience with retail and industrial refrigeration solutions. Having been around for that long means we have seen many challenges in our industry and in the world. One such challenge is the impact of synthetic refrigerants on our environment. We've been driving the development of natural refrigerant solutions and supporting the efforts of our food retail and industrial refrigeration customers on this complex journey for many decades. Hillphoenix can help you navigate the evolving landscape of regulations impacting your business and give you a competitive edge while at it. We began building environmentally friendly refrigeration systems way back in 1998, and we offer you hands-on, time-tested, practical experience with natural refrigerants that no one else in our industry can match. We are committed to working with you not only to navigate the complex regulatory environment, but to build you a personalized plan for compliance that matches your business strategic needs. And why should you choose to work with us on your natural refrigerant journey? Our confidence in our ability to help you is built on a set of unparalleled achievements. We have installed over 10,000 CO2 booster systems globally in a wide range of applications and ambient conditions. In the US, we have earned 10 consecutive EPA GreenChill Store Certification Excellence Awards. Through our Learning Center, we have helped educate over 32,000 industry professionals and organizations on a host of refrigeration topics, including natural refrigeration systems. Our commitment to the cause of natural refrigerants shows in our engagement with key industry organizations. In addition to being a founding member of the EPA's GreenChill program, Hillphoenix also helped foster the founding of the North American Sustainable Refrigeration Council, a nonprofit organization committed to reducing greenhouse gases and helping retailers transition to environmentally friendly refrigerants. Critically, over the decades, we have invested significant research and development resources towards building what is by far the industry's most comprehensive, environmentally friendly product portfolio. Our CO2 product range includes the Advancer Flex, Advancer Flex Mini, and our new CO2 One condensing units, a first in the North American market. Additionally, our AdaptaPack, EnviroPack, and SoloChill micro-distributed systems offer low-charge synthetic refrigerant solutions. And furthermore, we offer an ever-expanding variety of self-contained refrigeration display cases that operate on R290. Many food retail companies have yet to transition to environmentally friendly products. Now is your chance to gain a competitive edge. The longer you wait, the less competitive advantage you'll gain. Call us today at 770-285-3264, email us at info@hillphoenix.com, or visit our website.